Shri Swami Beant Anand Ji Maharaj. The fourth spiritual master. Premurti, the self-blessed Shri Paramahansa Sadgurudev Deen Dayal Ji Shri 108 Shri Swami Beant Anand Ji Maharaj Shri 4 Patshahi Ji's auspicious incarnation date 22nd January 1901. Accordingly, 10 Magh Samvat 1957 Vikrami Tuesday was held in Lucky Marwat, District Bannu, Border Province. Since childhood, you used to be serious, lonely, soft-hearted and engrossed in your own joy. He was well versed in Urdu and Persian language and used to feel great joy in the company of saints and saints. The Sadguru's story. Shri 2 Patshahi Ji Maharaj built a satsang ashram for the first time in Lucky Marwat. You reached Shri feet by Bhakt Sahib Ram Ji and after receiving Guru Diksha started getting absorbed in the practice of Naam by adding strong devotion and love. You remained fully engaged in Guru Seva as per his orders. Just as you had a strong affection for the holy lotus feet of Shri 2 Patshahi Ji Maharaj, similarly you also had unconditional love in the tender lotus feet of Shri 3 Patshahi Ji Maharaj. After Shri 2 Patshahi Ji Maharaj, you have completely received the happiness and infinite grace of Shri 3 Patshahi Ji Maharaj. On 20th April 1964, as per the orders of Shri 3 Patshahi Ji Maharaj, Shri Swami Beant Ji Maharaj was tilaked for the spiritual successor on the auspicious day of Ram Navami. You appeared on the throne of Paramarth in the form of Shri Chaturth Patshahi Ji. You have satisfied the hearts of all the servants by donating your holy love. You were the epitome of truth and kindness and laid great emphasis on hymn practice and punctuality. You were very disciplined and stood firm on your principles. He supervised the development works of Shri Anandpur and other related ashrams. Shri 4 Patshahi Ji Maharaj made his spiritual successor in March 1970 by conferring all his spiritual powers to Shri Swami Darshan Purna Anand Ji Maharaj. Dated 30th May 1970 AD accordingly, on the 17th Jyesht Samvat 2027, on Saturday, Shri Paramahansa Sadgurudev Deen Dayal Ji Shri 4 Patshahi Ji Maharaj was absorbed in the form of Nijaswar. The eyes through which we see the appearance and beauty of the external world are the external eye or skin eye. There are other eyes of the inner being. He is called by many names like divine eye, third eye, insight drishti or vivek drishti. Everyone can get this insight, but this vision can be achieved only through the grace of great men and devotion to the Guru. Quadruple. Shri Gurpad Nak Mani Gun Jyoti Sumirat had a vision. Shri Ramcharitmanas, Balkan, the light of the nails of the lotus feet of Shri Guru Maharaj Ji is more than that of diamonds and gems. By meditating on them the divine vision opens up. It is only when the divine vision is opened that the knowledge of true and false is known, whether in reality the world is true or false. Many restrained means reach this destination with great difficulty, but Sadguru's meditation or Guru Bhakti is such an easy means by which a living being can easily reach this destination. The attainment of divine vision is like attaining all the pleasures. This divine vision is attained by meditating on the lotus feet of the Sadguru or by earning word of words, by which all the darkness of attachment and illusion is dispelled and one attains pure light. This divine eye or the third mole is called Shiva eye, which cannot open without the grace of the Sadguru. Therefore, by going to the shelter of the Sadguru, by earning the name, learn the way to open the divine vision.